There's a hidden gem in Silang Cavite, which is worth a side trip if you're coming from Tagaytay because of their good food and drinks with a Filipino twist. Hey Jorelskis! Welcome to Silid! Katapat lang siya ng Cavite Light Industrial Park in Silang Cavite. The place was a vibe, like homey Filipino feels, then may outdoor seating din. We ordered quite a few from their menu. Ito yung canela latte nila. Canela meaning cinnamon spice latte. If you are into cinnamon taste, for sure magugustuhan mo to. Medyo na-curious ako dun sa bagoong cream pasta. And so we ordered that. It was a surprise. It was actually good. Na parang kumakain ka ng pork binagoongan in pasta form tapos hindi salty. Meron din sila mga rice bowls. Tinry namin tong achara rice with liempo. In fairness, masarap yung timpla ng liempo nila. Bagay dun sa achara rice. One of their must-try is their bibingka at chicken. Their version of chicken and waffles but this time paired with bibingka. As in full serving of bibingka with latik sauce na siguro mas gusto ko lang sana mas moist. Personal preference ko kasi yun sa bibingka. Then it's best paired with their chicken strips na generous din yung serving and it's crispy and juicy inside. Kaya naman kung magawi ka ng Silang area, check out Silid. It's worth a drive. Cheers!